On a rainy, blustery day 6 months ago, the destroyer USS Comte de Grasse left Norfolk to return today to one of the few sunny days seen since her tour of duty of the North Atlantic. The flagship of the only multinational squadron in the world, the Comte de Grasse took part in every international exercise in the Eastern Atlantic this year. She is part of NATO's standing naval force. But this trip, crew members got a chance to be an active part of the multinational group through an exchange program among the foreign ships.
What comes out of it is an appreciation for the abilities of our allies to conduct themselves in a NATO environment, or a maritime environment, that is. We were all impressed with their abilities.
James Lee was one of those sailors who spent 3 to 4 days aboard a foreign vessel.
They made us a part of it. That's what was really enjoyable. We just weren't spectators. We were part of the crew, part of the group.
100 sailors shared Lee's experience. He was aboard an old American vessel now under German flag.
People strike up lasting friendships, and I think this is one of the better cruises anybody could go on.
When family and loved ones went aboard, they were met not only by sailor husbands and fathers, but also by 24 fathers and sons who joined the ship in the Netherlands for the return trip home. The Comte de Grasse will remain in port for 2 months before going in for its first major 10-month overhaul. In Norfolk, Kathleen Bachman, The Daily News.